Yeah. Save our schools. 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 Keep moving. Save our schools. Yes. Protect the schools. Don't protect the government. Protect the schools. Protect the schools. Now protect the schools. Let them protect the schools. Protect the schools. Sorry, let me pass. Protect our children. Protect our children. Protect the schools. You have children in the schools too. You have children in the schools too. You have children in the schools too, officers. Hold on. Yeah. Have you got to go? Let them go now. Let them go. Let them go. Let them go. What's the problem? Where are you going? Ministers of you have blocked the place already. You have blocked the road already. You don't need taxis. Yes. This is a peaceful protest. You are seeing it. Don't turn it into something else. Don't turn it into something else. Don't turn it into something else. 100%. Okay, please. Let me film.
Hold on. This is a peaceful protest. Find out why we are here.
They want to see the minister. Let them see the minister.
I will tell you why we are here.
Not the police they came to see.
Also, why are you here?
All right. Great Nigerian teachers.
Great
Nigerian workers.
Great
Nigerian children.
Great
Nigerian policemen. Civil defense. Federal government.
Yes.
State government. FCT authority. The faces you are seeing here this morning. Thank you. These are Nigerians. These are teachers. These are parents. Today, if you are not aware, we are here to inform you. From the 15th of last month, May 15th last month,
Yes.
innocent children, innocent learners,
Are they not in this country? They're not in this country.
harmless children, harmless teachers were kidnapped, taken from Oyo State. Up to this moment, we have done everything we could as teachers, as parents, as union leaders to release them. Nothing is done up to now. We have prayed to the government that employed you and us here for these children to be released, for the innocent teachers to be released. Nothing is done up to now. Please, this protest, this rally you are seeing is not just on FCT. The rally you are seeing is nationwide.
Yes.
Teachers are all over this country.
Of course.
School children are all over this country.
Yes.
An attack on school is an attack on education.
And on the nation.
An attack on children is an attack on the entire Nigeria.
Yes.
What is the crime of little children going to school to be kidnapped?
Yeah.
What is the crime of a teacher waking up from his home in the morning and to be taken up to this moment? So we are here to let the FCT minister know that just as this action is going on all over the federation, we need his attention. An attack on one is an attack on all. Yesterday it was Ibadan. Tomorrow it can be FCT.
It's happening already here.
Many times teachers of FCT and children have been kidnapped and nothing has been done.
Yes.
Now we need action. School must be protected.
They must be safe.
Teachers must be protected.
Yes.
Pupils, students must protected.
Absolutely.
If not, education will go down.
Yes.
Yesterday you were in school. Today you are a policeman.
Yes.
If your children no longer go to school, what is the hope of tomorrow? By the way, outside the school, you cannot move from 1 kilometer to the other when your heart is not in your mouth because you are afraid of the unknown.
Yeah.
So today we are here to let the FCT minister know that action must be taken to release the ones that are in the bush and ensure nobody is taken again.
Yes.
If all of us are taken to the bush, then where is our hope? That is why we are here. The men and women you are seeing here are teachers, are activists,
and principals,
Nigerians, and parents. The pain is too much.
Yes.
We must come together to save this country. Enough
is enough.
We can no longer go to school to teach. How do you teach when your attention is by the window?
Yeah.
Would you teach anything?
No.
You are not safe. That's why we are here. So our being here is peaceful. So we need your cooperation. Yes, we know you are doing your job, but allow us to express why we are here.
To the appropriate authority.
Please tell the appropriate authority, let them come out and receive us. We'll give them some letter. But if they don't come out, then we go inside.
Yes.
And you cannot stop us from going in.
Yes.
Sir, we are Nigerianpolitics. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
My name is Comrade Apostle Alhaji Mahmoud, the treasurer of Nigerian Union of Teachers, FCT wing. Teachers! But the more they stay, the more we stay. And the time will come, will tell you, give us way.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you for cooperation. Because you are not here to see the police.
But you can leave
All right.
Yes.
You can see them on the road. We are not here to see the police. We want the police should be in the
All right, tell us the main aim and why this is so important.
There has been a nationwide call by Nigerian Union of Teachers to protect our schools, teachers, and the educational environment. And I'm here marching with them in solidarity. And the same is happening in Abuja, happening in Lagos, in Oyo State, and very soon the whole nation will feel the impact of our teachers and their parents and their children. We are not here because we are apologizing to anybody. We are not here to beg anybody. We are just asking people who claim they are elected to protect, to do their work. And it would have been great if this number of policemen who are preventing this can protect our schools. Your children are also in schools. And when the schools become the ground for kidnapping, one day your children will be kidnapped too. I hope not. But this is the time for everybody to have common sense and do what is right. Very soon, there will be more of this protest. We won't come to the FCDA. This is the beginning. On Thursday, we are going to Aso Rock Villa. If the children are not rescued. And we invite all Nigerians to come to the Aso Rock Villa. You cannot claim to be president of Nigeria and then refuse to do the job of the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Thank you very much. We are here with the teachers. We'll stay with the teachers and we'll ensure they are protected. Nobody has the right to molest any teacher here today. If you do that, you have a problem with it. Thank you very much.
Go to the state chairman, media.
Media man, please keep this way.